What's going on, everybody? So I'm not here to brag about millions of dollars that I don't have, or brag about this or that being paid off or anything like that. This video is actually just to show y'all that we are winning this fight against the scammer. He just posted a sale yesterday or the day before for $750 to hire him personally. Like, who the hell else you gonna hire? If you pay him, I mean, we know he's not doing the work. Anyway, so now he's doing a sale for $4.99. Just watch this clip. So, as you can see, we are definitely getting somewhere with this battle against this scammer. Nobody's signing up for his services. He's done 2 sales within 2 days apart. Let's keep the videos going. Let's keep the comments going. We're not going to stop till he goes down. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great 4th of July.